I would like to discuss with you the topic of shopping addiction. We are also going to discuss about the causes, symptoms, and the consequences of this shopping addiction and the strategies to address this illness. The main purpose of this presentation is to raise awareness about this very important illness. Have any one of you heard about shopping addiction? What is the most striking element of shopping addiction that may not commonly known? Shopping addiction is a compulsive behavior or urges that makes us to spend money on stuff a way to feel good. For instance, a wife is involved in an abusive relationship. She cannot address the problem directly, so she turns to shopping as a reward mechanism to feel better in order to mask the problem. We are short to some extent, but spending money in excess of the budget and without a plan should be taken as a serious issue. Statistically, shopping addiction affects 5.8% of people in the United States alone. Though this number does not sound like that large of a number until the 5.8% of 311 million people are 18 million people. When I think about the consequences of shopping addiction, such as impaired relationship, financial crisis, anxiety, tension, stress, and suicidal thoughts, my heart goes out for the people who are suffering with this problem. A study done by Clark and Christine C. in 2008, they discovered that shopping addiction is considered as much an addictive behavior as gambling, smoking, alcoholism, and abusive drugs. In fact, many people cannot realize this situation in the beginning until they faces bigger issue from their addiction. Do you directly know anyone who suffers with this problem, or do you have a friend who knows someone affected? If so, you can help the affected person by bringing them to awareness, also encouraging them to seek professional help through counseling or medical assistance. And another study done by Gribotalis in 2010, the treatment of hypnotism enabled her to be free from this illness when it was out of her control. Shopping addiction is a serious illness. It has large effect and also has serious consequences, not just for the individual, but for the individual's family and friends. What are the causes, symptoms, and the consequences of this problem? The causes vary from person to person. Some research and studies find it is due to some kind of urge because the underlying cause is from somewhere. It means shopping addiction itself often is a symptom of different causes. And also some research says it is due to lack of serotonin in the brain. And the symptoms are easy to identify. The people who have shopping addiction, they have compulsive shopping behavior. They love to buy stuff, whether they need it or not. They like to accumulate stuff, neither needed or used. And credit card obsession. They love to have 20 to 30 credit cards. And mood swings. And the consequences are very important to know. The significant consequences in their financial crisis because they love to buy. They may lose their house Sometimes if they also do poor work performance at work, so they may lose job also, and impaired relationship with friends, families, or boyfriend and co-workers. They also suffer with tension, stress, anxiety because of insecurity. We have briefly looked at them, the causes, symptoms, and the consequences of this shopping addiction. Let us now turn to our attention to strategies to address this illness.